Okay, we're back. Oh, well, this isn't the stream anymore. This one's the stream here. Good fun. Pop out chat. It's getting old really fast. It's getting old really fast. I am long, by the way, if you're wondering. No sound? We got sound. There should be sound. I'm just chilling. Whatever. I'll still take their money. I don't mind. I don't mind. Sound is good. Shorting YouTube, yeah. How many streams do you got to do? Coming into VWAP here. Quick 240. I couldn't tell you I was long, but I got long, by the way. I got long. Sorry. What's going on, everybody? Live chat. Stream health. Riggedy wrecked. That's the one, man. Thank you guys for staying through here. I mean, whatever. It's crazy. Crazy ass janky YouTube. Perfect stream. What's the confirmations behind longing AL? We just had a bid here. We swept down higher low continuation. Aggressive bid coming in this morning. Easy scalp into VWAP. See? Sweep. Volume coming in. Strength. Volume. Hammer candle. Buy the candle. Take it to VWAP. Very basic trade. Did I get stopped out there? No, they like me. They like me today, guys. Oh, wow. They came close. How close did they come? Holy smokes, man. A lot of the time when they come this close, I will take the money and run because I'll be like, okay, God gave me an extra $50. That's how I look at it. I'm like, thank you, God, for an extra $50, man. And buy my wife some flowers or something. No need to be greedy, Midas. Right? So we take it off. On to the next one. See? When you say bid, you mean buyers buying something. You bid, you buy something, right? So when you can see buyers stepping up here with volume, you can buy that candle, depending on the type of trade you're taking, right? This thing could go all the way up to wherever. I don't really care for that. I'm just looking for it to come and take the liquidity out of these little guys' highs and the VWAP up top here. Okay, so I know where I'm taking the trade. And it hit that right away. That's why I hit TP1 like right away. Instant take profit, stop loss to entry. Easy scalp, right? Very easy scalp in my opinion. Right? You see it now? Decreasing volume. Buyers step up to continue to push price higher. We just got the jobs news. Nasdaq's catching a bid, which is Confluence. So is the ES. Bitcoin looks like turd. Bitcoin's catching a SFP of the low, though. That's pretty nice. Right? Let's see if we get follow through here. If not, whatever. It's cool. Take the money and run, right? Very simple trade. My melodic voice. Yeah, Piper. I streamed yesterday. I live stream in the morning, teaching FOMC Asia. 7 streams yesterday. So made 23 grand though. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. Not complaining. I'm just here to help. Thursdays is a good day. Thursdays is when my wife is a writer. And my wife is writing a book right now. And, here we go. Here's the stream health thing again. Here we go. And, Thursdays is good because I get to hang out with my son all day. So I'll finish this stream. I'll teach with Chart Prime, and then I am AFK. I'm hanging out with my son today. I love Thursdays because I get to hang out with little man all day. And we're probably going to throw golf balls around the house and misbehave. And it's going to be absolutely hilarious because my son's great. I'm going to stop out here. Really? You're going to do it twice? Is it going to do it twice? Come on, there's no way you're going to do it twice. Two tickles, man. For all those people who say the market maker hunts them, what about this? What is this then? If the market maker's hunting me, you think you would have taken my trade, right? I am not that important. Okay? I am not important at all, as you can see. It doesn't give 2 rats about my little position here. Take it. Don't be a namby-pamby. We want to enter another trade, mate. And we're... Error. GG's. On to the next one. YouTube shit, man. There's no way. There's no way, man. I'm sorry, guys, for the... Is everybody else's YouTube having issues too? Like other streamers and stuff? We got 300 people in here. General bias right now. Long. YouTube crapes the bed. Yeah, craps the bed. Maybe we go to X. We can go to X if you guys want. Mm-hmm. We can go to X. I don't know how to do X, but I know how to upload a stream there. Stream keeps buffering, yeah. It's buffering on my side too. So we wait. I don't know. I can't fix it, guys. I'm trying. Thank you guys for being here. I still got poor. It says poor on my side, but my internet's great. Everything else is. Maybe it's like Canadian government doesn't like that I'm into crypto, probably. Alex, when you compound an account, do you keep your position size consistent for a while? So like when you're $1,000 account, risking 10 to make 30, right? You typically would like to get this to 500 so that this is 15 and this is 45. Kind of go like that. Or 1500, sorry. So in stages, like if you're going to go to like $11 and make $33, it's kind of, you know, so 15 to 45, 20, I would say in $5 increments at first. It's kind of, from my memory, that's kind of how I did it. And 20 to make 60, right? And then 25 to make 75, right? Kind of deal. That's how I would do it. Like I wouldn't get too caught up in $11. Like keep the math as simple as possible when you're compounding an account, because it can get sketchy, right? That's what I would do. That's how I did it. Yeah, we got a snowstorm here, but it's not bad. And it's all fiber internet cable, like it's all underground and stuff. Like it's not. Snow stops within the next hour, it says. It's not even a bad snowstorm. It's half a centimeter. YouTube's just being a boob, which is fine. I don't mind heading out early. I don't mind. You can go and look at golf stuff. Let's go shopping at Golf Town. 24 days of Christmas. We got, some putting thing is on sale here. Putting mat. Some clubs on sale. I get these emails and it just makes me want to go shopping. It's bad. My wife wouldn't like another golf club showing up at the house, to tell you that much. Yeah, YouTube says it's not receiving enough video, which is kind of funny. You got rugged. You got mail. You got mail. What about crank yankers? You got mail. A to Ace, what's going on? Loza, do you think we'll dump again when New York opens? NASDAQ caught a bid last night. So NASDAQ cascading, catching a bid, pushing up. This gives me hopium for Bitcoin. I mean, I'm not married to it. The thing with Bitcoin is it's got lots of liquidity down below, right? So it's like this kind of impulse fib move I didn't like, but we caught it. We caught the long here, the short here, the long here. Okay, it's just we only hit 618 here, very, very slightly on the weekend. This weekend volume, right? Like we should be coming back from Monday's liquidity, in my opinion. If we're gonna dump, that's where we're coming. This is crap. Perfect balloon dog though, guys. Like perfect. So right now, buy the rumor, sell the news. Consolidation sideways, which is fine. We're at the bottom of the range. So this is where we're looking to long. This is where we were looking to short. And we trade in between, right? We know a major resistance up here at 91. Very choppy price action, so we wait. We just got some initial jobless claim things and lots of data to come out in the next month, I would say. Right? Lots of data. Data, whatever you want to call it. And no FOMC until the end of January 28th, right? So the Fed's going to get a lot of stuff that they can look at now in the next month. I think we'll have a much better idea going into Christmas / beginning of January. Are you in Canada now? Yeah. Yeah. That's where I live. In the mountains, man. If I risk 1% of my money, how do I account the slippage if it hits your stop loss? It's got to be part of your calculation. I mean, if you get bad slippage, it should be accounted for. The exchange should pay you for that. You can have a forced stop loss too on some exchanges. Nice push here. No trade here. If we lose this and we short it, that's for damn sure. Push back here from Biddy. No golden pocket, but we have taken the liquidity out of these lows, which is good, and now we're catching a bid. I'd like to see VWAP flip today. VWAP flip, and then we can get going up higher, but thank you everybody for being here, and if you wouldn't mind liking the stream, we've had like 3, 4, 5 outages. 280 people here, 71 likes. I do appreciate you guys being here and hanging out. We've tried to do top-down analysis twice. And it's been it's the poll, guys. Watch. Slippage happens. Just go to maybe 0.8% to cover it. Yeah, that makes sense. Dixie having a hard time. We don't have that much snow though. We have we got half a foot maybe, not even. How do you set up your trades so fast? I have a little monkey under the desk that trades for me. That's what everyone thinks. I'm fast, man. I mean, gamer kid in me, right? I just done. And the thing about my trading is that I have a static account, right? So like I have a 200K account, right? So my 1% is always $2,000, right? So I know that's my baseline, right? And I know if I trade with my 44x leverage and I put on $100,000, right? I'm typically risking about $300 to $400 maximum. I know this just from doing it so often, right? And then I work off of that, right? So if I do 200,000 or 300,000, 400,000, you know, so typically my baseline when I'm not trading live is about $400,000 to $500,000 position size, which is about $2,000 worth of risk. So it all works off of that. So for me, it's really easy, right? It's my general trading setup is like this, 0.3%. Sorry, this is on Solana. 0.3%, looking to make 1%. So it's a general idea. If this shrinks, then this shrinks. So I can go 1.5 to 5, right? So I know generally off of that static account my position size. So like I enter the trade, I know where my invalidation is, I know where my take profit is. Like I know that before I enter the trade. I know where I'm targeting. And then the thing that I'm really working on that has made me a lot of money recently is distinguishing the difference between a scalp, a scalpy intraday trade, or an intraday trade. So I've sectioned my trading off for time. So when I take a scalp, okay, like this, I took this morning, right? When I take this long right here, this is a scalp. I am in, I am out, I am paid, stop loss to entry. Right? I'm taking this chunk. That's my scalp. Right? If I'm trying to maybe take it up to here, stop loss below here while I enter here, I'm willing to wait a little bit for it to play out. That's more of a scalpy intraday trade. And then if I can recognize a big move and get short here, like I did last night, I can hold this thing down, which is more of an intraday trade because I'm holding this for more than half an hour to an hour, right? And my take profits are a lot less aggressive, right? I'm not taking 50% out here. I'm taking 25, right? Then I'll maybe take 75 here and leave a runner, right? So distinguishing the type of trade that I'm taking has made me a lot more money in the past couple months because I think I was missing that element to my trading. It's like, what kind of trade is this? Am I trying to just take a base hit or am I trying to swing this for intraday trade, right? But it all works off of that baseline. What do you do to the monkey when he pushes the wrong button? I give him a banana. I don't know. Bjorn owns a pizzeria and he sells a lot of pineapple, guys. Restart the router, bro. Could be. Could be the router. Should I restart it one more time, guys? Put a 1 in the chat if I should restart it one more time. And I'll go and restart the router. I don't know. I can go and restart it. Let me get some coffee before market open. Now is the chance. If it crashes from here to market open, I'm going on Discord. I'm not fucking about. Let's go and hang out with the gang. Cowabunga, dude. YouTube does not have enough video. Same shit. Mods, is the stream still bad? Should I restart it? I can try to restart the router and then take a crack again.